Ghana News TV so ne nyankopon sha no ntene ni mucho se me bia no koso ana kan ho. Ya da se me bia no one yen eko. Ya sure wa se unya en subscribe ya bomodia. Nyemi a subscribe button so se na me bia na the video beto abenya bia hwe no nya bia tie. Ya da se kan ho 2019 na ya ba 2020. Koso ana kan ho tie na yenu aba fela MAKAFUI any medical ehun sensem a etwago no. Ya nyanentie se Medikal any fela MAKAFUI sisi ya ne de omo break up ama omo do mu di ye o social media ne adi sister course mame wa de no nyina no a omo roro ho ni nyina abawie na ubeka ya Medikal nyumtuni a chese ye nyanentie elia no na chese ne sister Debra ena etwempna na wo mu enoko hu sister course ya igbetofin ye nua Medikal se ompe ye nua ba kama so no kokko so twe ye nua ba sister Debbie oso no na chi sebi enye se pompo bi no nemum ayese flat screen into ja no ekofa igbetofin fela MAKAFUI ono na chi na ayese pompo bi no na ni sister course mame wade ne ye roro ho dane ma o sheki gu boy yusua ma boy ya adwen ene nanenam na enche ne yete yese omo enso omo do a omo chaze no abawi de bawi amanfo ka ho asem ebi kyerese esini ebi kyerese enye sini kyerese ebi se ye plant ebi se nya plant kram ye be hu video bia eba social media a ye hu se eye abrantie Medikal ene ne bossman ba akopɛ Chris Wado eko fela MAKAFUI one shop a kyerese nko mkopa achew panimu no ankoni ye eme pamu omu firi hom sister course ka omu se nkokɔ hwe kra kyerese onya praya nkobe pro machi e ka omachi ze hey maza ehiam wa ha mompe mo ba bi nsen na motan mo twam na sansem ye ekoso kyerese Medikal wada wona o na ni nkum kra oboge mo no nkwa kyerese bibia koye ono nkwa na krokro e na ache no oni fela MAKAFUI do mu di ejinjina ni susa nanzo no odosa na atu adapa atene de na ate enwachi no yete se eye Medikal AMG music chese woni kidi abonwum a ne nyina eye odonwum ode pa fela MAKAFUI a chew se we di osre onsan no mra na chi na we di wafe no na otimi hu se ade na timi be ma amasisia ne de ohu abeg na togbe ana ohene popro bi a owo eye kliko afegame ani din eni togbe agbemenya chese papa yi oyobi avota region enodi ne hene ewo Ketu South Municipal Assembly ni mu ho ba bi enodi ne hene na opanyin ena de kokobo emane Medikal se hi abrantie yesrewa ni awne yenua ba na ase ye ba fela MAKAFUI kwan ya de na koma efa so no ye ni nye ho entine ni opatu hofo nya saa na unim se aibeni so de aka ho a ensem ta chiri because kleko corona nkasa na ye krobi a chese it is known for the strong juju a omo ye kase dadie bi twa dadie bi mu a ekpelepe jina nkasa no kleko ho sa around area ho a ena no goko ene ni nuanom ewo ntino sa nsemi ba no e ade a ema Medikal bo shiki nim ze nu nti ne ma onam so eko to esre eye Chris Wado se nko na onko jano no nko pa achew na ene yi ntimi nkyire na togbe agbemenya enko motwetwe mu no ode mane abrantie bia ne din ene agbashi ena ototo asre se hey minua oni efreo agbashi no wadamfo ene Medikal no si o nana bacho han no si o menso me de togbe na me free eye voter kliko na me yohene ewo ho na yatese yenua eye Medikal ene fela MAKAFUI ene ma bi ekoso mo ntemu a mesu se bomodia na tweben unuyan ne tunefo enye sa ade ni ani ene be no na sa information o convey wo WhatsApp na WhatsApp no yenti senia entroye no ekoe odikan sende hello good evening. Is this my son Agbeshi, the musician from my soil voter region? And Agbeshi responded and said, hi, good evening. Yes, please. Please, how may I help you? And Togbe Ba said, good. My name is Togbe Agbemenya from Kleko Afegame. And I say, okay, Efu. And I TORGBUI by Beche say, how close are you to Medikal? And a Yagbe teacher say, he's my good friend and a brother and a colleague. I featured him in my Yeroro song Why You Need for a Show TORGBUI. And TORGBUI Eba said, that's nice. Well, I don't need him for a show, but then I want you to tell him to be very careful about how he's treating our daughter MAKAFUI from the soil. I see, we the eyes of the region are watching everything far from home, so he should be very careful. I repeat, if not, anyway, I hope you're good. And Agbeshi responded and said, this issue well respected. I will render the message, said Efu. Now say, I'm fine, Efu. We message or the emane. Efa Agbesi so say enko to Medikal. Na utie za info ya. Mami san koti hani biem. Or say, well, I don't need him for a show, but then I want you to tell him to be very careful about how he is treating our daughter MAKAFUI from the soil. We, the eyes of the region, are watching everything far from home, so he should be very careful. I repeat, if not, I benika sa asemi kirewa. I was out to a shas yesa. Me cry and yamin or de cry and me twas as yesa. Na wow, the when Medikal. And so the body we yes anhana ni kwaku don suro no ankosori biemu a we ayasem sebe Ghana News TV so nie ugi di se ne papa yi kan omo bibi e o betimi aye hwe wo ketreyam ana hwe ni ketreyam me nte wonka e comment box no mu e wase o sanso e na fela MAKAFUI ene eye Medikal breakup aye tete no ugi di se no kore ana grobi enom di se na show business no e can we show business a chese controversy, they are thriving on it. Me enter on comment box no as your Ghana News TV so ni. Yeah, that's it. Now before I be cry no. Eda no Kofi Adomangwani ene fela MAKAFUI interview. E won wine shop ho mra. Yetete ye say ne sugar daddy bi I talk car man no wakwaje na ne wine shop no kra sugar daddy na ko close ni ade no. Oko ho ne ko ye interview. Na interview ni mu no. Obisa fela MAKAFUI say fela aya nsem we kokko so saa no aya na nsem ben na ekwan ben so ne ba na aya na enokre yanyini na emuae a ode ma Kofi Adomangwani enie.
Ever since I started my career, anything that I do has a purpose. I don't get up and do things because I want to do things for doing sake. No. And see, anything you read about me or anything you see about me is planned for my management. I think at the right time, people will know about this whole thing that's happening and all. And yeah, I understand the business, so yeninam.
Enwachi owura Kofi Adomangwani esan bisa no say, okay, intisi ane de one Medikal dono yahu say asopa na drew level ben. Afi osan ko so bisa say sisi ano mo wedding yenhwe anim kwan ana fufuro bi eba eno nso no anu yie enie.
Yes sir, da ben yemra we no oni Medikal wedding no. Mama ne wine afa ne hwenim.
I choking me crumble. Oh, say enu dem. Say enu na make say our life is what whatever the case may be, I say yebe catch him. But unfortunately, me pet sanyama. I don't like big weddings, and I might not even tell anyone. Maybe share me videos. Maybe I might flaunt the ring 1 or 2 times.
Oh, the be who ana say ring keke ye share that my event be am no wine.
And no na make say your private life, any social life.
No, but only Medikal there now is public. It can be private anymore.
Say a public to everyone, but nyama bi wo ho say yenka. And see, yeah, of course, some things are there that we just have to keep to ourselves.
Na ne krakra mu ansa na ye be kokra no obiza ne say, okay, ya hu so on medical mo film ano mo ko ha mo ba ha Dubai ni ade chese trips ni ade no mako bia na tokura bodwese no medical otu amana tu eno nzo no sing and afela MAKAFUI eya we Ghana News TV.
Some things are there that we just have to keep to ourselves.
Say no when medical then a drew level ben much as di mo ho ana say normal social.
Pacho me a Christoni.
And you a virgin.
Me a Christoni.
We a virgin.
Pacho say.
We a virgin.
Why kakra?
Ya no mo kakra ba na ya be yi sa question na no.
Era mase some koso ana mo hwe. Mr. Awunya subscribe ya bomodin ani me subscribe button no send me be the video to abenya bia hwe no wenya bia ti we nya rap we no eye ade a metoto asre afi ho. Nyankopon sha no ntu nanim cho 2020 enya afia ebe nsha ayen koso ama o. Baby bia we ko bia ogimi dia jeso amen. Yada say